have completed total syllabus of the class 9. There is only 3 chapters, 2 chapters total deleted, that is the diversity of the animals and the natural forces, that is oxygen cycle, and the last stage, last chapter of from your syllabus. So I will discuss today the syllabus of your class 9, okay, the theory syllabus also and the practical syllabus also. There is 2 syllabus, there is 20 to 21 class 9, there is an old syllabus, and 20 to 21 revised syllabus, okay. You can download your class 9 syllabus, that is revised, okay, revised 20 to 21 syllabus from CBSE board or any site, Byju's or Jagoran, just anything, 20 to 21, okay, revised. This word must be present on your syllabus, that is revised 20 to 21 syllabus, okay. There is only 3 chapters are there, for theory, that is 80 marks, and internal assessment 20 marks, okay. Theory 80 marks and internal assessment 20 marks. Practicals, portfolio, project, anything, all these are included in the internal assessment, that is that carry 20 marks, and the theory 80 marks, okay. So what present in your theory syllabus? What is your theory syllabus? Let's discuss about the first one. Ma'am, we are going to have our assessment 1. Yes. I don't know when your assessment will be held, that will be updated on your website. Don't worry about that, or if any information I know, then I will transfer you, okay. Don't worry. So first one, biology. I just discuss about the biology syllabus, not the physics part or chemistry part. That is the world of living organism, that is unit to organization of living world, okay. Organization of living world. Organization of living world, okay. In this portion, only 3 chapters are included. That one is cell, the basic unit of life. First one, cell, the basic unit of life. Number 2, tissues, organ system, tissues, organ system and organism. Okay, and the third one, health and diseases. That one is why do we fall ill, okay, health and diseases. Okay, this one is only your biology syllabus. This 3 chapter is included in your biology portion. 26 to 27 marks are coming from that part, okay, and the others, physics and chemistry content 26 and 27 marks, okay. So cell, the basic unit of life, tissue, organ system, theory portion, okay. That is this, from this part, that 26 to 27 marks will come in tissue, organ system and organisms, and health and diseases, okay. These 3 chapters. let me give the details of that chapter. That is there will be one portfolio or project, anything on one chapter. Okay, internal assessment, learners assigned to read the below listed part of unit 4 that can be encouraged to prepare a brief write-up on any concept, the unit in your portfolio. This may be an assessment of internal assessment and credit may be given to periodic assessment and portfolio. This portion not to assessed by the year-end examination. Okay, natural resources, balance in nature. Okay, our environment, natural resources and balance in nature, natural resources, balance in nature. Okay, that is our environment, unit 4, our environment. Okay, 5 marks project or portfolio you can get from that part. That included in your intern, the 20 marks, 5 marks are coming from that part. Okay, and the other 15 marks there is practical, your copy, anything about that. Okay, from the cell, which part coming? Cell. From this cell chapter, the basic unit of life, that included, cell chapter included cell as a basic unit of life. First one, cell as a basic unit of life. Okay, second one, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Number 3, multicellular organisms. Number 4, cell membrane and cell wall. Okay, so cell chapters includes rest of the part I will discuss. Cell as a basic unit of life, 1, prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, 2, 3, multicellular organisms, 4, cell membrane and cell wall. Five, cell organelles and cell inclusion. chloroplast, seven, mitochondria, vacuoles, 9, endoplasmic reticulum, 10, Golgi apparatus, nucleus, chromosomes, the basic structure. Okay, Golgi apparatus, all the cell organelles. Okay, chloroplast, mitochondria, vacuoles, endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus. Actually, the whole chapters of the cell, the basic unit of life, and these portions is coming from that chapters. Okay, now move to the next chapter, that is tissue and organs. You can download this syllabus from your CBSE website, that is revised 20 to 21 syllabus of the class 9 science. Okay, revised, must be present that word on your syllabus. Tissue, organ and organ system, tissue, organ and organ system. This chapter included structure and functions of animals, structures and functions of animal and plant tissues. Only 4 types of tissue in animals. Only 4 types of tissue in animal. And meristematic and permanent tissue in plant. Okay, so this chapter, the total tissue chapter, the plant tissue, and you know that 4 types of animal tissue and the only 2 types of the plant tissue, meristematic and permanent tissue. Okay, so all these are included in the tissue and the plant tissues. Okay, this one. Next, health and disease, that is why do we fall ill. Your book is the old, so that's why there is no change in their name, but when it is revised and when the new book will come, you can see that the chapter name will be changed, that is why do you fall ill to health and disease. Okay, health and disease. That one, health and its failure. Health and its failure. Okay, first one, health and its failure. Number 2, infectious and non-infectious disease. Infectious and non-infectious disease. Number 3, their causes and manifestation. Their causes. So the health and disease, health and its failure, infectious and non-infectious disease, and their causes and their causes and manifestation and manifestation. Number 4, disease caused by microbes. Disease caused by microbes, that is bacteria, fungi, protozoa, anything, okay, microbes. Disease caused by microbes and their prevention and their prevention, principle of treatment and prevention, past polio, principle of number 5, principle of treatment, principle of treatment and prevention. And 6, pulse polio programs. Okay, so this is your completed theory syllabus. Now move to the practicals. We have completed total syllabus of class 9. From the next day I will start your practical syllabuses, and there is, you can make your copy and you can write down what is the ingredients one by one. I will tell you, and there is another website is also, I will give it, provide you, but you can see them, you can see this type of practical, your assignment from that part, okay, and write according to that. Practical syllabuses, list of experiment practicals. List of experiments. First one, a true solution of common salt. A true solution of common salt, sugar and alum. Number 2, a suspension of soil. A suspension of soil, chalk powder, and fine sand in water. Okay. Number 3. A colloidal solution of starch in water and egg albumin or milk in water. And distinguish between them, okay? And distinguish between them. Okay, so the colloidal solution of starch in water and egg albumin and milk. How we will give practical on online? No need, there is no practical. Online examination will be held. You just made your copy, and I will provide a online website. From that website you can observe how the practical or what is the procedure of the practical and how could you conduct that practical. Okay, no need to worry about that. There is no online practical examination will be held. You just make your copy. And there is another one, that is preparation of the mixture, a compound using iron fillings, and sorry, this one is the your maybe towards a magnet. This one is your for your chemistry part, procedure of recurring classify physics and chemical changes, that is burning. This one is chemistry part, and the stain temporary mounts and preparation of a stain temporary biology part. Another one, preparation. Number 2, preparation of stained temporary mount. Preparation of stained temporary mounts of onion peel. Mounts of a onion peel. B, human cheek cell. And C, that is, and to record observation how the level diagram. Okay, just on these two, just how you can stand under the microscope onion peel and the human cheek cell and observe, and what is their characteristics and what is the procedure, you can write down on your practical copy. Identification parenchyma, sclerenchyma tissue. Number 3, identification parenchyma, collenchyma. When you read this theory part, the tissue, read that tissue very carefully. This is in your theory part also, this is in your practical part also. Okay, the characteristics must read, okay. Parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. tissue in plants, striped, smooth and cardiac muscles and nerve cells, all the tissues, okay, smooth, striped and cardiac muscle. So this one is the identification of parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma, and smooth, striated and cardiac muscles. Nerve cells in animals, nerve cells in animals. From prepared slides, draw their label diagram. Okay, so you can provided the prepared slides of these tissues, and you can observe that from that website. You can from your book you can observe that and read their characteristics. Write down. Just draw a diagram of that. Label that diagram and write down the some characteristics of these tissues. Okay. Determination density of this is the dimension density solid and established relationship with the weight of fully tapered variation of conversion of chemical reaction. Okay, so this one is only a biology part, this is included, and there is another also physical and chemical parts is also included. So first download that syllabus, that is revised 20 to 21. You can see that we have completed your biology theory part. So next day from the next day I will start the practical syllabuses, and one by one you can write down on your copy. Okay, and I will give you a website. From that website you can see how the procedure is occurred and how it is conducted. Okay, thank you very much everyone. Bye everyone.